4:30 a.m.
Almost 5, I think.
Almost 5. And it's Tuesday, the second day of our trip. Kind of. We're still in the first, 12 hours. Look at the sky. You can see how nice and dark it is.
So dark.
We have no idea where we are. We might be in Montana.
We might still be in Idaho.
Yeah, one of the two. We found this ancient artifact.
Yeah.
And can you hear it?
I don't know. Can certainly see it, sorta.
It works.
That ancient artifact still works.
It has a dial tone.
So, yeah, and it's 50 cents for a call. I don't know. What is this weird place we stumbled into?
I don't know, but look at the bathroom.
I know.
This is the rest stop bathroom.
Yeah, a rest stop. I mean, we really should have grabbed some carts and stuck them in the bathroom mirrors.
Oh, yeah. We should do that. See?
The ladies. Then they have a baby changing station.
I want to see what it looks like.
Okay. It looks like a bathroom with a table.
Yeah.
Water fountains. More girls' room. And then another ladies' room. And then, hey, look, the men have a baby changing station too.
Men have babies. They don't have babies.
Maybe we can figure out. Oh, we are in Montana.
Oh, we are.
Look at that.
More rest stop.
Saltese,
Montana.
I have no idea when we slipped across the border.
I don't either. Okay, so along this route, we're going to Deer
Lodge.
Lodge. That is a huge title right there. Is it that big blue one?
Could very well be.
Could you point at it? Mm-hmm. You think we're going right? Oh wait, Deer Lodge here.
Ah, yes.
There. So.
Okay.
We are. Yeah.
Yeah, we're in Montana. When did we make it to Montana?
I was asleep.
I was driving. You would have thought there'd have been a sign.
Maybe it was one of the times when you weren't looking at the road.
That's because I was looking at the road ahead.
Instead of the current road. Okay.
Yeah.
Let's go someplace where it's warmer.
Or at least let me get a coat.
And then.
But hey, if there's no snow on the ground.
Huh. Look at all the frosty fog.
The core of discovery. Cool. All I see.
There's Kokomo.
Yep.
Sit there. I think it's a little doggy.
Mm-hmm.
Is she smiling?
She's just like, Mom, what are you doing? Lick. Hi, Pup.
Ooh, hello.
Okay. Yep, the floorboard's a mess. All right, so yes, we're gonna get warm and figure out what
we're doing.
We're going to get fuel is probably what we're doing next.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye. Is it recording? Oh, it is recording. Hi, we're in Montana. The sky's bright. Local time is about 7-something, I think. We are at a parking area. And I think it's really pretty. See? Those hills. Seeing the sun's rising. And there's the Coco. Hi, the Coco.
How many times we see old shorelines along I-90 on Mountain?
Why?
Because that's a thing.
Oh.
There
assuming this is Clark Fork.
Since it seems like everything is Clark Fork here.
Yes. We've crossed Clark Fork how many times?
Oh shit, I don't know. I wasn't counting.
You want to take what? Ooh, she's peeing.
Good girl.
I'm having issues with my show. We don't know where this path leads, at least as I don't.
It leads down there.
Yeah, it leads down there somewhere.
Down to the sand.
Is it really slick for you too?
It is a little bit. Fairly loose, kind of slick. Wow, I was looking at a rock. Look at that. You should know this by now. Old burn tree.
Yep, there's the burnt tree. Focus.
Focus. This water down here should be glacial.
Glacial cold or from a glacier glacial?
Both. I should have brought my Berries of the Pacific Northwest book with me.
Yeah. Is it red?
No,
Is it white?
it's white.
It's not edible.
The fuck kind of creature is that?
I think it's a bird. Don't know what kind of bird.
The chainsaw bird. I think you haven't got enough battery power, bird.
Yeah.
You're trying to start its engine and it's just not working.
Lots of burnt trees.
You can tell there's been some fire through here.
Ooh, look at that rock over there.
The rock.
The mountainside.
Oh, yeah. That's not a mountain.
Well, yeah, that's a mountain.
Yeah.
And this is all sand.
Yeah.
I'm assuming this is river bottom.
Probably from some point in time.
Hi, Coco.
Considering this area has been cut out by glacier.
No, I'm saying like during like the spring thaws, it like comes up here.
Could be. Could very well be. I'm gonna have sand in my shoes. It's much more densely packed than I'd expect.
Yeah. Look, Coco barely even leaves prints.
Yeah.
See, Kit doesn't leave prints either.
That's because I'm a ghost. I leave no prints ever anywhere. Now there's a skipping stone.
Yes.
Lots of red rock out here.
You get shots to Coco.
Of course.
What?
Weird crampiness. No good. That's a black rock.
Yes, it is.
Wonder if there's gold in that there river.
Here, I want to see how close to the river I can get without like getting soaked.
Hey, this thing's supposed to be able to withstand being submerged like 6 feet, so. Oh, you're the idiot in sandals stepping into a river.
I'm not stepping into it, I'm standing on that rock.
Barely. Cold?
A little bit.
Coco is thirsty.
Ah, yeah.
She's like, I'm not sure I like this water.
It's a little too cold.
Come on.
But this for skipping, oh, it's a little too thick.
Yeah.
I don't know how to skip stones, do you?
No, that's throwing a stone.
Do you know how to skip stone?
Sort of. Kind of. It's a waste, but let's see if I can get this to work. Nope. I think I was a little too far away for one thing. Pretty shaly ground here.
Awesome tossing.
Oh yeah.